everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make some banana strawberry and ice cream. Like any type of a banana and ice cream, this is easy to use. You want to get any type of a blender or food processor that you have that you know will handle some frozen fruit. And so I just have a small food processor here that I like to use for this application. So I have one frozen banana that I've sliced up. And then I have 4 large strawberries. You can use fresh strawberries if you want, or frozen. Mine happen to be frozen. And then for a little added sweetness, I have 10 red seedless grapes. These can be fresh or frozen. Mine happen to be fresh, which is going to help here since I've got frozen strawberries and they're really hard to blend up. And then you want either 2 or 4 tablespoons of extra creamy oat milk or coconut milk full fat. I happen to have extra creamy oat milk here, and I have 4 tablespoons. You add as much as you want there, 2 to 4, maybe even a little more if you want it a little bit softer and a little creamier. Now to me this is going to make 2 good sized servings. You may be able to eat all of this at once. It's really your choice. And so I'm going to cover it up and I'm going to blend it, and I'll be right back and show you what it looks like when it's all done. Here's our finished banana strawberry and ice cream, and you can see, like I said, it does make a lot. That's way too much for me to eat at one time, and you can be my guest to eat it all if you can, but I make 2, maybe even 3 servings out of that. The recipe is below. I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.